So can you visualize this? So I want to build a deck. I also want that decking to be the step to get into the bed. All right, so this is how the bed looks now. Supposedly I should be able to lower those hinges and close it up. I don't think the screws in those hinges are going to support opening and closing like that. We shall see. Oh, this is how far my bed got. Let me go around the other side, show you. I'm having to work around my own mess because there's nowhere to put things. It's been pouring rain, so I've got what I got out as best I could, and I'm working around what I got in here. Anyway, so a better shot. We got the two platforms. These legs, I'll show you. Hopefully when I get done, they do fold up right now. So they'll fold up so that I can lay this back against the window so that there's more room down here if I need it. And it depends on if I use it for storage or not. But I've got to move the TV and of course the wiring and of course the ceiling. And Diane, it's been a while, 4 days. What have you done? Well, let me tell you. I got distracted by a friend named Cindy. She came into town to see her daughter in Jacksonville, and I stole her away for a weekend. Hi, Cindy. All right, we're at Silver Springs State Park in Florida, and weather alert, they're not letting kayakers out if you rent. Of course, we were going to rent because although I have a kayak,
no kayak.
So this was a bust, but what we're going to do is going to go back. We're in the Villages, Florida, and this is Maggie's first cart ride.
Yes.
And we got the air conditioner here. We are going in style, but take a look. Are we nuts? Look at the clouds behind us. And look at the clouds ahead of us.
It's raining. It's raining.
So,
it's raining.
Whoops, move my hand. We're going to give this a try. We're gone. You know what you have in the van? The Zero Breeze. Well, doggone it. I had the battery. I had air coming out, coming on this side, coming on this side. I had the hot air coming out this way. And the drain plug. We were going to go golf no matter what the condition was with the dog.
Yep.
And, oh, now I see all these bugs. Man, I got bugs. They love me. Can you see them? Cindy, the luck is still with us.
Yes. Here we go. Woo!
No, we're not.
No.
We got 1 block, or no, 4 blocks down. Got a flat tire, but guess what? The stem popped out. So it dry rotted, and it looks pretty solid to me. But anyway, we have a golf cart guy coming, and hopefully it's not like AAA that's going to be like forever. Now I'm going to be eaten by the bugs too. That still doesn't stop us. Ladies and gentlemen, silence. We have the $1 million putt. And did she do it? Did she do it? Did it drop? Nope, didn't drop it. But how close? How close? Okay, $500,000 putt. Boom. You see how close she was? You go, Cindy! Well, you wanted to go to the beach. Cindy, are you a little bit hot?
Yes, very warm.
You took that away from the dog.
I know. She's not concerned. She's not concerned. She'll never know. Oh, look at us, luxury golfing here with air conditioning.
That is golf glamping? I don't know.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Golfing in Florida. And where'd it go?
Right on near the green.
Wow, that was good.
I'm doing hot. I'm hot. Yeah.
Look, we're in trouble. Uh-oh, we're in trouble. We got the dog. The ambassador is here talking to us. Oh, okay. He's not going to take the dog. Good. I think we're still okay.
That sounded sweet. All right, so I have given up.
She's giving up.
6 holes in, and this old girl gave up. Not me, her. I did not give up.
Oh yeah.
She gave up.
She did not. She's
No,
still having
I
a good
would
time.
never have given up, eh? No, that's my story. I'm sticking to it.
And my last hole, I
What
got
a birdie!
I got a birdie, and I
Tweet,
haven't
tweet.
played in like 15 years.
I got a par. She got a
Wow.
birdie.
Yeah, it's all
We're
good.
kicking it. Hey everyone. Hi.
Hi.
Well, we're gonna backtrack, rewind, because we made it through. We didn't stop.
We kept going. 9 holes.
Oh my
Yay.
God. Yes, here at the Villages, they have free golf for executive courses. Some have 1 par 4, some have 2 par 4, maybe too much information. We were at one with 2 par 4s, and we did very, very good.
We did, and Puppy went with us. Maggie, she, the whole time.
So, the moral to our story is...
Ow.
Ow, it's the moral to our story.
Ow.
Okay, I'm going to let her tell you the moral to the story.
Don't give up. Right. Keep going.
Yeah, because we went through bad weather. We had the air conditioner going, and it was really necessary. In fact, we had a, what do they call those people on golf courses? Rangers? No, not rangers. Whatever. Oh, I don't remember.
I think we're out.
Station identification.
Well, I filmed the Ranger, so
All right.
you can have the
I don't.
clip.
Okay. So anyway, he stopped us because we had the pup in the car. But you see, we're adorable, and he's adorable, and he loved the air conditioner. He let us keep on going. All right.
Yes, he did.
So Cindy's from Arizona, and she's visiting your kid, right?
Yes, yes. Yes, so here I am.
So I went and stole her. She was 3 hours from here. So I went and stole her for the weekend, and she's down here. But she refuses to help me fix my van. I don't understand that. She'd rather golf and
Play.
kayak and play with the dog. And we have 90 miles of golf course. No, 90 miles of, what am I trying to say?
Golf course, no,
No, not course.
golf
Cart.
trails.